I'm Elizabeth Adam, and we just purchased our first home a year ago. Our home was used. It was about 20 years old. We just wanted to freshen the look and make it ours. We had several contractors come to our home, and we chose 5 Star.
My name is Angela Haroldson. Our house needed to be painted really badly. Just picking the paint color had been overwhelming enough, so we were done and we needed someone else to come help us.
My name is Audrey Peterson. I'm an interior designer and I'm always looking for reliable painters. I found 5 Star online. They came out and gave us a bid that fit both our budget and our needs.
5 Star painted our dance studio. We have a 17,000 square foot dance studio, and they handled that commercial project with ease. I had heard about 5 Star based on their reputation. I asked around and they were the guys to call.
We chose 5 Star because they were professional and made us feel comfortable in our home.
The estimator we were very comfortable with, and he was very comfortable to have around our family and in our home.
They did everything that they said they were going to do. They were on time, they were on budget, they were clean, and they just did a fantastic job, and I'd use them again for sure.
Not only did they get the job done, they got it done a week early. After our first experience with 5 Star, I plan on using them almost exclusively. I'm that impressed.
5 Star got everything done on time, and it looks amazing.
I would highly recommend 5 Star Painting.